Hey, welcome to an episode of Dark Car Mods. I'm Jeff, and today I'm going to be working on this Lexus RX400. I'm going to be changing out the cabin air filter on this vehicle. This is a very easy process. It should take you about 5 minutes to complete. Alright, so the cabin air filter is located behind the glove box. Alright, so inside the glove box are going to be these two clips. It's going to be one here and one on the opposite side. In order to remove this, all you need to do is turn it quarter turn counterclockwise so that the clip is not horizontal but it's vertical. And so give me a sec. And so this, all I'm doing is turning it this way. Put my finger back here and just go ahead and pull this straight out. There you go. And then do the exact same thing for the opposite side. But on this customer's vehicle, it's missing already. And so I just need to go ahead and remove this. Then it's going to drop the whole entire glove box down. And back here is the cover for the air filter. And so what you do is you push on this side right here. Same thing on that side right there. And then you remove the cover. Right here. Alright, so here is the old one. As you can see, it definitely needs to be changed out. And here is the new filter. And the part number is right there. Alright, so to remove the old one, all you need to do is just grab it and squeeze it together, and the old one comes out. Now take your new air filter, and on the side you'll see a airflow arrow. That arrow needs to be pointing down, and make sure that the airflow is flowing down towards the grid. And that's it. And then the last part is to go ahead and slide it back into the slot. And then you see how there's a bump on the top? That needs to be facing down when you insert it into the opening right here. Get all the way in and turn it clockwise, quarter turn, until it locks. Alright, so that was a procedure on how to replace the cabin air filter on the RX400. All it was is removing these two clips that's on the side, and then removing the air filter, making sure the airflow is facing down onto the grid, and that's all there is to it. Alright, so I'll have the product link in the video description below, so go check it out. If you have any questions, please leave in the comments below. As always, thanks for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe for more videos. Thank you.